Voice over LTE high-definition voice. Nowadays, smart terminals are widely used and data traffic is growing. The increasingly higher demands on the network have given rise to 4G. Voice over LTE high-definition voice steers you to the 4G voice experience. Evolution of LTE voice solutions. SVLTE. LTE was deployed only in some popular areas. In the initial stage of LTE deployment, the IMS was not deployed. Terminals could use SVLTE dual standby mode, and voice services were still provided by the CS domain. CSFB. LTE was deployed on a large scale. The IMS started being deployed and the CS domain was reconstructed. Terminals used CSFB mode to ensure that voice services were still provided by the CS domain. SRVCC. LTE was continuously deployed, the IMS was deployed, and the voice over LTE service became available. Terminals used SRVCC mode to ensure voice continuity when being handed over to the CS domain. Voice over LTE. LTE was deployed with full coverage. The network evolved to the ICS architecture. All CS users migrated to the IMS. Terminals only need to support voice over LTE and no handover is required. Features of the voice over LTE solution. Support cloudified deployment, a unified hardware platform, and flexible resource allocation help reduce service deployment costs. Enhance SRVCC, reduce handover delay to effectively ensure service experience. Multiple networks share the same number. Because users do not have to change numbers, there is no difference in service experience. High-definition voice. Bring users an amazing high-definition voice experience. Hierarchical QoS guarantee. Establish dedicated bearers for the voice over LT service. Give priority to the guarantee of the voice over LT service and restrict the OTT service. Deployment in multiple scenarios. Support the application scenarios of inter-network handovers. Meet the deployment demands of multiple networks and protect operator investments. Voice over LTE highlights. Voice over LTE supports high-definition voice and video. Supports parallel operation of the voice service and the data service.